Conditionally add an attribute to a dictionary in Python. I want to be able to add an attribute to a dictionary, but only if the condition I pass in is true. For example, is this possible? I can't find a way to do this in Python. I have only seen examples in JavaScript.
You can't do it with quite that syntax. For one thing, you need Python, not Java/C. 1. Add the attribute, but set to none. 2. Make it an add-on.
Just add /check it in separate statement.
Yes, just create the dictionary without the attribute, then create an if statement to add it if the condition is true.
Create the dictionary without the optional element, then add it in an if statement.
Se vai fazer, se considera